Okay, in this video we are going to go over Scratch. Scratch is an online site for using block coding. Block coding is a great way for kids to get introduced to what coding is without having to know too many technical skills in order to do it. Scratch was created by some people at MIT and is targeted for the age range of 8 to 16, but as you'll see later on, you can easily use it past the age of 16. There's stuff on here that I wouldn't be able to create. So plenty of room to go. We're going to start out by looking at a program that I made on here. This was a super quick, simple program. So a little character that you get to move around. And as you'll notice, there's a spot that kind of just teleports it back. It also has certain keys that if you click them in the right order, it'll tell you something. So that way you can get to the final screen of this. So I click G and it tells me what the final code is. Up, down, down, left, right. And then we get to the final stage. So that's all that this program is. You can also look inside of a program, whether it's yours or created by somebody else on the website. This one's pretty simple. This is all I have here. But now let's go look at one of the more complex ones that you might find from somebody else that uses the website. So this is a game of 2048. As you can see, it already looks like they put a lot more time into it. And it works just as you expect it to. So what's great about this is that even when you don't make the program, you can still look inside of it by clicking right up here. So now we can see what their code was in case there was something that we were curious how they did it. And since this is a more complicated game with a lot nicer looking graphics, it's going to have a lot more blocks in it to make up its code. If you were wanting to use this as a base, like you would use a lot of the code that they already have, you can click on the remix button, and then that'll save it to your own account, so that way you can add to it and make it your own a little bit. So like if you wanted to change the color of the 4 or the 2 or anything about it, you could do that. So that is Scratch. This is, once again, a free website, and it has plenty of stuff on it to do. And it's a great way to introduce kids to coding.